Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use SketchUp Mobile. We'll start by getting the app and logging in. Then, we'll explore the user interface, understanding the main tools and controls. You'll learn how to open existing models or begin a brand new project. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design experience, allowing you to quickly dive into your creative work on the go. Let's get started. Once your model is open, navigating it is simple with intuitive gestures. You can use 2 fingers to orbit, 1 finger to pan, and pinch to zoom in or out. The scenes icon lets you instantly switch between predefined views, saving you valuable time. Also, the Layers panel helps manage visibility, and the tape measure tool ensures precise measurements for your designs. Mastering navigation is key to efficient mobile modeling. Now, let's dive into making changes and adding details. You can easily select objects by tapping them, and then use tools like Move to reposition them. The pencil and rectangle tools are perfect for drawing basic lines and shapes directly on your model. For clarity, add dimensions and text labels using the annotation features. Grouping components helps keep your project organized and simplifies complex edits. These tools empower your mobile design workflow. Finally, let's talk about securing and sharing your creations. Saving your model to Trimble Connect ensures it's always accessible from the cloud, no matter where you are. You can export your designs in several useful formats, such as PNG for images or DWG for CAD programs. Sharing a view-only link is perfect for getting feedback from colleagues without them altering your work. This seamless integration across devices makes your design process incredibly flexible and collaborative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.